Morning students, I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be doing a very social chapter, that is helping and sharing. As we all know, both these qualities, helping and sharing, they are the key ingredients to build one personality. As we all know, helping towards other, it's one of the basic things that we should all inculcate in our behavior, whereas sharing is very important to keep ourselves socially active. So let's just begin with this beautiful chapter, that is helping and sharing. So the title of our chapter is helping and sharing. Helping and sharing, right? So in this chapter you will learn an example of harmony. इस chapter में हम लोग क्या समझने वाले हैं, क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? We'll be learning an example of harmony. Harmony means बहुत ही प्यार से एक साथ रहना. Read and learn that how the children help each other to do the work. हम यहाँ पे पढ़ने वाले हैं कि कैसे बच्चे एक दूसरे की हेल्प करके काम करते हैं, right? So जय लव्स कैरेट हलवा. जय को क्या है, कैरेट का हलवा बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. ही गेट सम कैरेट सीड्स, और उसके वो क्या है, वो कुछ कैरेट सीड्स लेकर आया. सो जय, देयर इज अ कोलन प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर. इट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्लेन दैट व्हाट दिस पर्सन इज सेइंग. सो ही इज सेइंग दैट इफ आई ग्रो सम कैरेट सीड्स देन ग्रैंडमा कैन मेक कैरेट हलवा. ही इज सेइंग, जय इज सेइंग कि अगर मैं कुछ कैरेट के सीड्स को उगाऊं तो मैं क्या देख सकता हूँ कि ग्रैंडमा कैन मेड a carrot halwa for us. So I will plant these seeds. मैं ये वाले seeds को क्या करूँगा, plant करूँगा. जय plant the seeds. जय ने क्या किया, seeds को क्या किया, plant किया. And he waters them every day. और उनको क्या कर रहा है, रोज उनको पानी देता है, right? The seeds they grow into baby carrots. और seeds जो है वो छोटी छोटी किस्में हो गई हैं. They are growing towards the baby carrots, and one carrot grows and grows and grows, and there is one carrot that is growing more longer and longer. बड़ी होती जा रही है time के accordingly. So Jay tried to pull the carrot out, और जय जो है उस carrot को बाहर निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा है. As we all know that carrot is a root. He pulls and pulls. वो बाहर निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा है. He cannot pull it आउट, सो ही कॉल्स टीना. वो खुद से उसको बाहर नहीं निकाल पा रहा है, तो उसने किसको बुलाया है, टीना को बुलाया है. नाउ जय, प्लीज हेल्प मी आउट दिस कैरेट. प्लीज हेल्प मी आउट टू पुल आउट दिस कैरेट, कि प्लीज इसे बाहर निकालने में मेरी मदद कीजिए. नाउ ग्रैंडमा विल मेक हलवा फॉर अस. एंड अगेन ही इज सेइंग दैट ग्रैंडमा, दैट इज हमारी दादी, हम लोग के लिए हलवा बनाएंगी. नाउ टीना पुल्स जय एंड जय पुल्स द कैरेट. नाउ टीना इज पुलिंग टू जय एंड जय इज ट्राइंग टू पुल आउट द कैरेट फ्रॉम द floor, and they pull but they cannot pull the carrot. वो इतना कोशिश करने के बाद भी कैरेट को बाहर नहीं पुल कर पाए. Then Tina calls Minnie, and then Tina is further calling towards Minnie. Now Tina, she's saying, please help us pull out this carrot, कि प्लीज मेरी मदद करो इस कैरेट को बाहर निकालने में. Now the grandma will make halwa for us, कि ग्रैंडमा हम लोगों के लिए हलवा बनाएंगी. Now Minnie pulls Tina, and Tina is pulling Jay, and Jay pulls the carrot. Now what is happening, Minnie she's trying to pull Tina, whereas Tina she's trying to pull Jay, and Jay किसको pull कर रहे हैं, कैरेट को. Now they pull and pull but they cannot pull out the carrot, but वो कैरेट को बाहर नहीं निकाल पा रहे हैं. Now then Meena calls Raja, और मीना ने अब किसको बुला लिया, राजा को. Now Raja pulls Minnie, and Minnie pulls Tina, and Tina pulls Jay, and Jay pulls the carrot. Now there is a chain over here that Raja, he is pulling Minnie, whereas Minnie is pulling towards Tina, and Tina is Jay, and Jay is pulling towards carrot. Now again they are pull and pull, but they cannot pull out the carrot, और carrot को बाहर नहीं निकाल पा रहे. Then they call Pom, and who is Pom? Pom is their monkey, pulls Raja. Now Pom is pulling, that is this Pom, this monkey is pulling Raja, and Raja pulls Minnie. We can see that Raja is pulling Minnie, and Minnie pulls Tina. We can see that Minnie, she's pulling Tina, and Tina pulls Jay, and we can see that Tina, she's pulling Jay, and Jay pulls the carrot, और Jay किसको पुल कर रहा है, कैरेट को. Now they pull and comes out the carrot, और इतनी मेहनतों के बाद क्या हो गया, कैरेट बाहर आ गई. They all carry the carrot home and give it to grandma. Now they carry out, they pull out the this carrot, and they just pull out and they handed over this carrot to who, to the grandma. Now grandma makes carrot halwa. Now grandma, she'll be making gajar ka halwa. They all share it, and what a fun. और इन लोगों ने share किया और इन लोगों को बहुत मजा आया. Moving on to the word basket, the first word is halwa. Halwa is a sweet dish, right? हम लोग सब आराम से खाते हैं. Seeds is something from which a plant develops, जिसके ऊपर से plant उगते हैं. और what is a plant? Plant means to sow, किसी को बोना. Then it's baby carrot means छोटा सा carrot, small carrot. Grandma is the grandmother, हमारी दादी. Share means to part of a thing. Share means a part of a thing, किसी एक चीज का part. जैसे पिज्जा में 4 parts होते हैं तो हम एक part share करते हैं सबको. Right. Moving on to the exercise. The first exercise is the oral exercises where we'll be learning how to pronounce each word correctly. So the first word is carrot. The next is halwa. Moving on to the next is grows. Then next is tries. Then further it's please. Then it's monkey. Then makes and then share. Moving on to the correct answer. Jay likes dash halwa. Jay को क्या पसंद है? Jay को carrot का हलवा पसंद है. Jay gets some dash seeds, that is carrot seeds. The seeds grow into dash, that is baby carrots. Pom was the name of a monkey, and who makes halwa? That is our grandmother. So Jay loves carrot halwa. Jay plants the seeds. Jay tries to pull out the carrot. And they all carry the carrot home. Moving on to the true and false. Tina finds the carrot seeds. It's false. Jay saw the seeds. It's true. A carrot grows and grows. It's true. And grandma makes carrot halwa. It's true. Moving on to the question answers. You will be doing all these question answers in your respective notebooks on your own. And I hope you all like this chapter. This chapter was actually that how they bought these carrot seeds to grandma, and grandma, she just made a delicious dessert for the child, that is the carrot halwa. And I hope carrot halwa might be one of your favorite dishes. So I hope you all will be liking it. You all have liked this chapter. This chapter was beautifully described, that how these children, they love the carrot halwa and how they enjoyed the carrot halwa that was made by grandmother. So let's just study properly and keep studying and stay hydrated. Thank you.